When you drive with your car through a city and there's some construction work, you always see a lot of cranes. You can be nearly 100% sure it's equipped with a WireCo steel wire rope.
We are in every crane or crane application you find in the world.
Casar is a premium rope supplier who supplies rope to a lot of applications worldwide since more than 70 years now. We deliver our products to the biggest cranes on Earth, to the deepest mines on Earth.
Oliveira is a very well-established company in producing and supplying the market with steel wire ropes. We are part of a long history of making good products, reliable products, and supporting our customers.
For me, the key to success is to have the right people. The people are essential. They are the beginning and the end of all work we are doing or service we are providing to a customer.
Sometimes you have a crane where the rope is not working. We have had these problems and solved these problems on other cranes before. We know what type of rope fits best to this crane, so this is why we talk to the people and we talk to the crane drivers.
We always find a solution for our customer. Whatever it takes, it will be done, and we get it done, we get it fixed.
The expertise and the knowledge in the customer care department is outstanding. We are in constant contact to the customers, making sure that we touch base and see where the problems lie and the demands from the customers are.
It's an assurance for the customer to see that we are really taking care of a product throughout the entire process.
You have to be ahead of the competition. You have to be better. The rope has to perform longer.
As a market leader, you have to secure that your products are always top quality, otherwise you will lose your reputation. With our team of engineers, with our experience in the field, we can create the next step and make our products every day better.